Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Yamaha V-Star 950. V-twin power, fuel injected, gorgeous metallic blue and silver paint scheme. This bike has only 2,688 miles, just acquired from its original owner. This is the low mileage, low priced cruiser you've been waiting for, priced to sell at just $39.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Come by and pick up this beautiful belt drive V-twin Yamaha cruiser for only $39.99. You gotta be kidding me. Thing is gorgeous. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.